Alright, real quick, welcome to my YouTube channel, Nissan again, and I'm here to give you a quick tour of the outside of my new compound. Okay? Oh wait, let me tell you, I moved to Uganda about a week ago, and I love it. Okay? So, real quick, for all my friends and fam, you can live here. The food is fresh. The people are nice. I don't know what else to tell you. That's all I need. I haven't heard a gunshot since I've been here. You're not going to. All right, follow me. All right, so right here, this is the front part of the compound. All right. Got the living room right here, dining room right here, living room over there. And then that's the primary bathroom. Not calling it the master's bedroom anymore. No, let's change that. Okay, here we go. Follow me. All right, and then right here, this is the garage. A little bit of inside you're gonna get. Then we're gonna come around over here to the side of the house. Yep, follow me. Oh, look, a lizard. Hey, baby lizard. All right, let's go. Backyard. Yep. Come on in. Come on over here. Follow me. Here. Bam! Follow me. Let me show you the rest. Look at this right here. This over here is an outdoor bathroom, and I think on the side over there used to be an outdoor shower. Okay, I guess for guests. I don't know. Other than that, we still got some work to do here, and that's it. It's peaceful. Very peaceful. Yep. Let's come over this way. Follow me. That's the kitchen right there. A little quick inside look at the kitchen, and that's enough. Boom. This is another bedroom right here. This is another bedroom, and then this is a bathroom. Another bedroom, and there's another bedroom down there, but we look at it, that makes 4 altogether. And this is it. This is all our trees. The trees have tons of fruits and vegetables that are edible. We got about what? We got plantain, matoke, avocado. Well, you know what? Let me wait. There's another video for that. So I just want to give you a quick tour. Let's come around here to the side of the house. Boom. Follow me. Lucky with this place, and I'm happy to be here. So other than that, if you like this video, like the video. Not if you like it, like the video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share this video with other people, just so they can see. They want to know what it's like to have me, a man from Chicago, living in Uganda, the east of East Africa. I decided to pick Uganda for several reasons. I'll tell you more about that later in future videos. Other than that, yeah, comments. You have any questions about what you see here and what's going on? Oh, let me address this one right now. Barbed wire. There's barbed wire. Yeah, that's okay. That's security. You know, people can climb over that wall. I don't have a gun. I don't want to shoot anybody. This is called preventive shooting somebody. Okay? In America, or we can say this, what happened? Why do we have all the guns? Never mind. I'm getting too political. Here we go. But this is it. I can deal with this. I'm not all into the aesthetics.